I'm Phil Kennard, the founder of Futurestay, and today I'm going to show you how Futurestay can help you make more money with your short-term rental in just 6 minutes. So follow along. First, I'm going to go ahead and sign up for a free trial. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and import my property from Airbnb. Futurestay is an Airbnb official partner, so I can connect directly and create a Futurestay account in real time. I'm authorizing, but also I can disconnect this whenever I want. This is at no risk to me. It doesn't cost anything to do this, and I still have full control over my Airbnb account. Okay, permissions, getting my property in, and okay, now I'm in the dashboard. I have my own Futurestay account. So in less than 6 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and create my own direct booking website so I can start getting zero commission direct bookings to Futurestay. I don't have to design anything. And there we go. My website looks just as good as my listing, and yours will also. So as you can see, all of your bookings, there we go, are protected with automatic guest screening, and also you get a damage waiver to protect your property. So that's a beautiful website, but how are people going to find it? So now in the next 6 minutes, you're going to go ahead and get yourself listed on Google Vacation Rentals. Why? Because Google Vacation Rentals is the biggest direct booking site on the internet. It's where over 70% of all travel searches start. So I promote my website, I come in here. That's it. Now I'm listed on Google Vacation Rentals. And here's my listing. You can take a few minutes for it to show up. Sometimes it's instant. There we go, instant. And now over 70% of all the people that search on the internet for short-term rentals in my area will see my listing. And that was far less than 6 minutes. But your Airbnb listing is also a great source of booking. So how do you get even more of them? Okay, now I'm going to boost my Airbnb listing. The first thing I'm going to do is make sure I have the right pricing. So I'm making as much money as possible with each booking. So I come in here. How do I know exactly how to price? I'm going to enable smart rates powered by AirDNA, which uses AI and machine learning and the best source of market data to tell me exactly how to make the most amount of money possible every night of the year. And all I have to do is turn it on. Okay, and that was easy. Now my Airbnb listing and my website are priced perfectly. So no matter if you're searching on Google, if you're searching on Airbnb, or anywhere else, you're going to see the right pricing for my property. But there's more that I can do too to improve my listing even further. So the next thing I'm going to do is request a listing review by the Futurestay team. That doesn't cost anything extra. And they're going to go in line by line and look at every single part of my listing and give me the right recommendations to boost me to the top of the Airbnb algorithm. So that was a lot less than 6 minutes, but if you've been following along, you'd already be making more money from your short-term rental. So go ahead and get your free trial today, and our team is always ready to help.